Hey there, welcome to the ukestuff channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of my chord melody arrangement of I Met a Bear. Now what we're going to do in this video is first of all I'm going to demonstrate it on GCEA and DGBE ukulele, and then I'll do a quick tutorial for GCEA and DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. I also want to make a point that you can actually download this for free on my channel, ukestuff.info. There's no paywall, there's no Patreon, nothing like that. The PDF is there in my tabs, and just look under chord melody and look for I Met a Bear for GCEA or DGBE ukulele. All right, let's begin with the demonstrations. All right, on GCEA, first of all, let's talk about the chords you need. You need an F chord. You're going to need a special version of the C7, which is playing it sort of like a Hawaiian D7, but up one fret. So you're on the 3rd fret, strings 4, string 2, only strings 4, 3, and 2. Then looking on, you'll need an F chord at the 5th fret. So you'll bar all 4 strings right at the 5th fret, pull against the fretboard. That's most of your sound right there. Add your thumb for some support. Add your pinky to the 1st string 8th fret. Then an F chord. Then a B flat chord with a bar chord as well. So it's also the 5th fret. This is all based around the 5th fret. So 1st finger, all 4 strings, 5th fret. Add your thumb for some support just like before. Now just play the F shape. And then here you go. C chord. Really, which is a C6 chord, and then an F chord at the end. Now let's walk through the whole actual song. 1st string, 3rd fret, and then it says 3, 2, 3. F chord. Now, 1st string open, 2nd string, 4th fret, 1st string open, F chord except for the 1st string. Now, we are in measure 3, or really measure 2, because you don't count the 1st measure as a pickup measure in the counting. So this is actually measure 2, or the 3rd measure that you see. And 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd, 2nd string 1st, then that C7 chord, which looks a lot like a Hawaiian D7, but up 1 string, only playing strings 4, 3, and 2. Then the 1st string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret again, F chord. Then you've got 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string 5th fret, 1st string 7th fret. Then you're going to bar across all 4 strings right at the 5th fret, pull against it, add your thumb, and then add your pinky to the 1st string 8th fret. Then with your pinky, just go down 1 string on the second string, now 8th fret, and then normal F chord, and then play the 2nd string 1st fret, which is already pressed down, and then you're going to have to jump up to this B flat chord. So bar across all 4 strings right above the middle 5th fret, add your thumb for some support, then make an F shape with fingers 2 and 3. Then while you're there, slide down to the 1st finger to the 5th fret, add your pinky to the 7th fret, back down to the 1st string 5th fret, and then a C chord. Then 1st string 1st fret, all 4 strings, nothing pressed down, the G note, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. All right, now let's take a look at on baritone, DGBE ukulele. All right, let's take a look at the chords you need. First of all, you just need a C chord. Then you're going to need a special G7 chord, where you're going to use fingers 1 and 2, playing strings 4 and 2 at the 3rd fret, but not the 1st string. Then back to C chord, Then a C chord up here. You're going to bar across all 4 strings at the 5th fret, pull against the fretboard, put your finger right across, use that lever achieving most of the sound, add your thumb for some support, then add your pinky to the 1st string 8th fret. Then a normal C chord, then an F chord here at the 5th fret. So bar across all 4 strings right above the metal 5th fret, right above it, pull against the fretboard, add your thumb, then make the C shape. Then G, G7 will actually be in there, although you're not going to play the whole chord. A G6 chord, nothing pressed down, and then a C chord, strings 4, 3, 2. Now let's literally walk through the whole thing. 1st string, 3, 2, 3. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. C chord. Then 1st string to 2nd string, open, 4, open. Open, 4, open. Then your C chord, except for the 1st string. Now, more, this is the 2nd full measure now, and it is the 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd, 2nd string 1st. So we went E, D, C. Now to a G7, which is a little different, right? Fingers 1 and 2 at the 3rd fret, strings 4 and 2. And only play strings 4, 3, and 2. Then 1st string 3, 5, 3, which is G, A, G, and then a C chord. Then we're going to walk up the fretboard, 3, 5, 7 on the 1st string. Then make a bar chord at the 5th fret, all 4 strings, 1st finger across all of them, pull against the fretboard, add your thumb, add your pinky to the 1st string 8th fret. Then reach over with your pinky to the 2nd string 8th fret, normal C chord. Then you have the C on the 2nd string 1st fret. Then you're going to jump up here to the 5th fret again with that bar chord, but now make the C shape, which is really the F chord. And then go to the 1st finger, slide it all the way across to the 1st string, 5, 7, 5, then a normal G chord, but then it's going to walk down into a G7. Now, you can play chords for every one of these if you want. Then, nothing. And you can even play strings 4, 3, and 2 there too if you want. And then C chord at the end. And that's I Met a Bear on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial for my chord melody arrangement of I Met a Bear for GCEA and DGBE ukulele. Again, it's available on my website for free at ukestuff.info. Just look under the My Tabs area under chord melody for I Met a Bear. And again, it's not behind any paywall, it's just there. Thank you again for supporting the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.